Don't throw the peach if it's rotten. They're great uses. Regret knowing too late. Hello, everybody. I am Longer. Welcome to my channel. Today, let me share with you the magical uses of rotten peaches at home. Why do you say that the more you put it, the more valuable it is? Nonsense. Come and see. So speaking of peaches, everyone loves it very much. This season is also the time for peaches to hit the market in large quantities. What peaches? Peach or hairy peach, etc. Nectarine. A variety of peach truths are listed. And the price is also very cheap. Sweet and sour. And they loved it. But we found that peaches are delicious, but not easy to preserve. It was very fresh when you bought it. And it's really crisp and sweet. But after a few days at home, you will find this peach immediately becomes very soft. Or mildew and deterioration occur. The outer skin peels off directly as soon as you press a bit. So like this broken peach, most friends will choose just throw it away as trash. In fact, this broken peach, it has a particularly valuable use at home, so to speak. It's great for keeping at home. Hard to buy. Then you can see, like this peach in our house. This one is still broken and slightly better. Just a few little black dots. And this one was completely decomposed. Moldy occurs. However, a large part of it is also good. Most friends will think of. Like this little broken peach. We directly cut off the broken part with a knife. Other good places can still be eaten. If you think so, you're wrong. Broken peaches like ours, the bacteria in it has infiltrated this side, the inside of the seemingly good peach. And what? Contains toxins and other substances harmful to the body. So one thing we are very sure of is that broken peaches are completely inedible. But it's a pity to throw it away. What should I do? Today, I would like to share with you the rotten peaches. Its miraculous use. Before that, let's find a home that we don't want. This plastic sealed can. No, you can also prepare a plastic bottle. Just cut the top. I've shared it with you before. Let's stand up this plastic can, unscrew the lid and put it aside. Then cut off the broken peach. Slice them up. Cut to the peach pit. We'll go around and continue to cut other parts. When it's completely cut like this, cut it into thin strips. Slightly chopped, like this. Now put it directly into the plastic jar. Take out the rolling pin at home. Mash this peach. The more smashed, the better. It can make the active ingredients and nutrients in it better to be released. The peaches are rotten, but it is particularly rich in other nutrients. Although not edible, it's an incredibly useful tool in our daily lives. Smash it like this. Then add an appropriate amount of water into it. Just add the water to 8 points full. Then gently stir it twice with a rolling pin. It can fully mix water and peaches together. Mix well. Then close the lid tightly. After the lid is tightened, put it on the balcony to ferment. 7 days. During fermentation, this peach will produce a lot of gas. And there are other organic compounds. Every day we need to unscrew this lid, mainly to empty the gas inside. In this way, the liquid inside will not overflow. After this ventilation once a day, continue to tighten it. After today's time is up, our peach water is ready to use. So fermented peach water like this. What is its miraculous use? The first use is that we use it to wash dishes. Usually, most of us use detergent when washing dishes. And detergent, it actually contains some chemicals. If it doesn't wash well, remains in the bowl, it can cause unnecessary harm to our bodies. But in our peach, nothing added. We use it to wash dishes very well. We feel more at ease when we use it to wash dishes. Usage is also super simple. We pour fermented peach water into a bowl. You see, after pouring it in, shake it twice gently. Some oil stains have been dissolved away. Then there is no place to dissolve. We use this solution. Gently rub it back and forth with your hands. Wash it, you see. The oil stain disappeared immediately. Then use. Then rinse twice with water. The whole process was useless. The whole process was useless. A drop of detergent. The bowl was immediately clean. And here's the thing. Fermented peach water has no chemicals in it. It's also more secure to use. Don't worry. There will be some detergent residue in the bowl. Second use. Use the jar for watering flowers in advance. Prepare about 1,000 milliliters of water. Then the limbs of the awakened peach. Pour into this water. Dilute. Because of the peach after waking up. Because the fermented peaches, the water concentration is very high. Be sure to dilute. What's the use of diluting it like this? In the lives of many friends, they all like to grow some flowers and plants at home, whether it's hydroponic or raised directly in the soil. Then it requires careful maintenance to make it grow more vigorous. But we found that many people buy green plants at home. It was very exuberant at first, also green, but after raising it for a period of time, it slowly withers. The flowers are also starting to wither. The leaves turn yellow. This is because our plants lack nutrients or caused by improper fertilization. Many friends will spend a lot of money to buy some flower fertilizer, but I can't grasp the dosage, so counterproductive. In fact, we can totally use this peach. Diluted water to water. Peach juice after being awakened. It contains potassium. Is there any other phosphorus? There are other nutrients as well. It is a great source of nutrients for plants. In any of our potted plants, you can use the water diluted with this peach to water. After watering with this water, you will find that the plants are growing more vigorously. Leafy. So like this osmanthus tree in our house, this is how it is watered every time. This flower blooms continuously all year round. And here's the thing. I prepared this liquid by myself to water the flowers. It doesn't need to be too precise. Don't worry about our plants backfiring. But be careful. Let's water it like this once a month. Then if you pour it too often, it's counterproductive. Third use. Like our peach, although it is rotten, but the peach pit is still intact. Let's directly put the excess around. Cut off the rotten peach. There's a little bit of pulp in the middle. Then we put this peach pit. Put it directly into. We usually grow flowers in a potted plant. Cover with soil. After pouring some water, maybe 1 or 2, maybe after a while, you will harvest a cute one. The peach seedlings watch it germinate and grow day by day. It's pretty amazing. More cost-effective than the potted plants we paid for. The most important thing is to have a lot of fun. How about today? Mainly shared with you. Let's rot peaches. 3 magical uses in everyday life. In fact, in addition to these 3 uses, a rotten peach can also be used to wipe some stainless steel products at home, or cleaning our range hoods and so on. Not limited. It is not limited to cleaning dishes and chopsticks, so there are so many applications. So does scaling. If you still know, for other artifact uses of our rotten peaches, welcome to share in the comment area. You can let more friends know, let more people benefit. Then I am Longer. Click on my avatar. You can watch more exciting videos. This is the end of our video sharing for this issue. Bye-bye in the next video.